In network marketing for beginners, there are many things you have to know. This is why there is Network Marketing for Beginners tips. These tips will help you make the right decisions and avoid the mistakes that a lot of marketers often make. So, if you want to join a network marketing company but are unsure where to start, read on and find out. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about important network marketing for beginners tips. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about you did not know this about generating leads online. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and get ready to start living the life of your dreams. Enjoy the video. For more information about you did not know this about generating leads online, head over to my website and sign up for my weekly newsletter. The link to the website is in the description box below this video. As a free giveaway for signing up for my weekly newsletter, you will get a free copy of my ebook Lead Generation for Beginners. How to generate leads online. You could be making a lot of money if you know more about how to generate leads online. I think it is my duty to inform you now because this could give you a profit you can be proud of. You will not have to worry about the lack of traffic, but just think about the leads you will have once you have started your online business. You must already know about the free ways of marketing, but if you do not know how to choose a certain niche, you can still make a good earning out of it. Remember that there are millions of people all over the world looking for products or services they can get from you. They would also be looking for people who can recommend their business to others. How do you make sure that you will get leads from the right ones? The answer is to know more about how to generate leads online. One good idea would be to know more about the personal background of the market you want to target. This way, you can choose a product or service that is familiar to the people you are going to target. In fact, you can even start a website offering a certain product or service that you know about. However, if you already started with an e-commerce site and you only have one product or service, you can still generate leads just by selling some other things related to your chosen products. So if you want to make money out of selling a certain product or service, you need to know more about the market you are going to target. It is also a good idea to check that products or services have a high demand in the market. Just because it is popular does not mean that it will also be successful. When you already have a website and a few products or services you offer, start by marketing it to a certain niche. You can also check the interest of your target market so that you can be sure that they will find your products useful. First, you have to decide on what products or services you are going to market. This is something you have to do because when people see that you are trying to sell something that they already know, they will automatically get skeptical about it. You can find this out by checking the response that your competitors received. Second, you should go on to the next step by finding out the particular product or service that your customers already know. Of course, this will be a combination of products or services that you already know or that you offer. Third, you have to make sure that you do not add too much to your website when marketing a certain product or service. What you want to be careful about is people who are already familiar with your site and products. Fourth, when you want to know more about how to generate leads online, you have to follow the best practices of your competitors. This is a key factor because you could easily make your products and services more popular if you will follow the same advertising techniques as other marketers. Fifth, look for products that are in demand. Not everyone will buy the same product as your competitors, and this means that you could be able to create the same impact on their customers' minds that you would have if you are known to the general public. Last, if you want to know more about how to generate leads online, you have to find products that are in demand and then sell them to people who are already familiar with these products or services. As I mentioned earlier, you will have a lot of leads if you know more about how to generate leads online. Thanks for watching my video about you did not know this about generating leads online. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video. Don't forget, when you sign up today you will get a free copy of my ebook Lead Generation for Beginners. The first network marketing for beginners tips that you should remember is that you should be your own marketing manager. You have to find the best network marketing company for you and build your business from there. Do not join a network marketing company just because their CEO is great. One of the most common network marketing for beginners tips is that you should learn to drive traffic to your website. However, this doesn't mean that you should promote your business in order to earn money. You have to sell to people. If you can't sell to people, you will not earn a single penny from your network marketing business. Another one of the network marketing for beginners tips is that you have to choose your niche carefully. It is not important which niche you choose as long as you do your market research and focus on that niche. You will not succeed in network marketing unless you know what people in that niche want to buy. So, do your market research and focus on what they want. This way, you will be able to promote the right products to them. You should always remember that networking in network marketing is a numbers game. The more people you are able to get into your network, the more money you will be making. But, you have to remember that you won't be able to sell them the product unless they are willing to buy it. Be careful in asking people to join your network. Never pressure them. If they need to be pushed, then maybe they are not ready to be part of your network marketing team. When it comes to network marketing for beginners tips, it is important that you learn how to develop your own marketing plan. You can't just rely on what you read in ebooks or anywhere else. You have to create your own network marketing plan and follow it. There is also a network marketing for beginners tip that you have to remember: avoid overpromotion. People in network marketing are already tired of the hype. They are very sensitive to it. So, don't come up with some grandiose claims just to get people to join your network. Just be real and give them the benefits of your product or service. Providing benefits and good value will win you their trust and eventually, their profit. And last but not least, another network marketing for beginners tips is that you should never put yourself above the beginners in your network. Always lead with the beginners first and work your way up. Your goal should be to help and guide them first, not to keep them as your bottom line. If you do so, you will be able to build a solid team of network marketers that will grow with you and make you a successful network marketer. Now that we have established some basic network marketing for beginners tips, let us take a look at some more advanced tips. You can use these to climb the ranks quickly in network marketing. When joining an MLM company, it is important that you learn how to generate leads. This can be done through lead generation, which means creating new ones. You have to call up potential customers or members of your target market and ask them if they would like to be part of your network marketing business. You have to ensure that you have great presentation skills in order to do so. Another one of the network marketing for beginners tips is that you need to have a strong support system before even starting in network marketing. Your support system should consist of friends and family who will help you build your network. This network should be built before you even sign up for an MLM company. It is better to spend more time building your network before even getting started with network marketing. A strong support system will help you overcome obstacles that may come during the beginning stages of network marketing. Last but not least, one of the most important network marketing for beginners tips is to make sure that you have a well-planned business plan before anything else. Your business plan should be able to tell you exactly what income you will be generating after joining a network marketing company. There are many network marketing for beginners tips that will give you good information about this. All you need to do is to search the internet for information on how you can create your own network marketing business. But you must remember that your network marketing for beginners business should be something that you will be proud to promote. Thanks for watching my video about important network marketing for beginners tips. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.